Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to add YouTube link to TikTok. It's super easy and we make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. First, you have to open YouTube. Then click on upper right corner. Now click on your channel. Now click on channel setting. Now click on channel URL. By doing this, you copy YouTube link. Now go back and open TikTok. Now go on lower right corner. Now click on edit profile. Now click on bio. Now here paste the YouTube link. Click on save. By doing this, you successfully add YouTube link to your TikTok. I hope you found value in this video. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck.